Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two fantastic fitness machines. In the left corner we have the See & Fix walking pad, and in the right corner we have the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill.
Get ready for a battle of walking wonders.
Let's start with the first round price.
The See & Fix walking pad comes in at a cool $299, while the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is slightly pricier at $369.
But hey, when it comes to fitness, can you really put a price on your health? Now let's dive into the features. The See & Fix walking pad boasts a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to stay active while you work. With a speed range of 0.6 to 4 miles per hour and a wider running area, you'll have the freedom to walk, jog, or even sprint on this bad boy.
Plus, it has a 2.5 HP motor and dual shock absorption to protect your precious knees. On the other side, we have the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill.
This baby comes with a spacious running area and a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor. It even has an LED display to keep track of your progress in real time.
And guess what?
You can connect it to the iPoofit app for some interactive training and virtual running tracks. Talk about futuristic fitness. Now let's talk about portability. The See & Fix walking pad takes the crown here. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and perfect for under-desk use. Need to switch offices? No problem. Just roll it on its wheels and take it with you. It's like having a personal treadmill chauffeur.
Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is no slouch in the portability department either.
It arrives fully assembled and can be folded up in a jiffy.
Perfect for those tight spaces or if you just want to keep it out of sight when not in use.
It's like a treadmill that knows how to do origami.
Last but not least, let's talk about customer service. The See & Fix walking pad promises professional assistance within 24 hours of raising your questions. They've got your back if you need any help or guidance on your fitness journey. On the other hand, Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is all about satisfaction.
They're dedicated to providing high-quality treadmills and top-notch after-sales service.
They're like the personal trainers of customer service.
Based on online reviews, customers have praised the See & Fix walking pad for its space-saving design, convenience, and value for the price. They also appreciate its versatility and ease of storage. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill receives high marks for its features, quiet operation, and compatibility with the iPoofit app. Customers find it comfortable to run on and convenient for use in a work environment. And there you have it, folks. The See & Fix walking pad and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill have battled it out, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your fitness needs.
Remember, staying active is the real victory here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.